We are the Educational Talent Search Program, and we have recognized that we want to create better opportunities for STEM equity and STEM literacy with our high school students at LPS. We're doing a VEX Robots workshop today, where we're creating opportunities for students to get hands-on with robotics, learn a little bit more about the educational opportunities associated with it, and possibly learn about the scholarships as well. Yeah, because the cogs aren't moving at all, are they?
It's kind of like puzzles. I like that feeling when you solve a puzzle and then you get it all connected and it all makes sense. Transferring that into robots, I like it when I create a robot or program it and it works.
It's working as it's designed to, right? That mouse was always supposed to, straight flow. It was never supposed to go straight.
Sometimes STEM can seem really daunting, and robotics is a pretty dynamic way to get involved in STEM. VEX allows you to actually build and kind of play with the engineering side of robotics. So it's a great way to get the hands-on learning.
You notice a structural difference between the motor of this one and the wheels, and say the motor of that one and those wheels.
Maybe.
To be honest, I've just always loved STEM education, STEM engagement. I just think it's the most fun part about working with the students. Because ultimately, I think every student likes STEM. It just depends on how much exposure they've had so far. But the opportunity to have that experiential education where they get to get hands-on with the project, I think that's the most exciting thing in the world as an educator.
I'd say it's a mix between actually building it and